Hello guys, welcome back. So today we are in Changi Beach. So this is one of the most famous beach of Singapore, and Changi Airport is also very nearby. So I hope I can see a lot of flights here because it's been I think it's been 1 year and more. Saw some flights, so I hope I'll see some flights today here. So yeah, I'm all ready. We have come here with some food and mat and everything. So let's see how I enjoy. So yeah guys, let's get started. And if you guys are watching me for the first time, please subscribe, and also don't forget to click the bell icon nearby so that you guys will be instantly notified whenever I'm uploading a new video. Let's get started. So guys, finally after a very long travel we have reached Changi Beach, and it took around 1.5 hours. I thought for a weekend this is the app location because we can just get fresh air in front of the beach. It's so good, and also if you want we can do walking, jogging, cycling, anything here. So yeah, finally I am on the beach and you can see how crowded it is. So this was like around 6 o'clock in the evening. I think it's around like 7 o'clock. So this is how it was. Like everybody was like they were enjoying the view, and we just went there with a good preparation. As I said before, we had a mat to sit there and also some food which I cooked myself, and I'm really happy about it because it's definitely nice to sit in front of the beach and you can just enjoy your food which you cooked yourself. So I just bought some snacks, and we also bought some rice from the shop. So I just made only the snacks and the remaining is from the shop. So that's how it is. So finally I am here. So you can see how breezy it is. Like I was like my mat and my cover, everything was just going with the air and I somehow managed to put it down and I just sat over it. So this was really nice because there's COVID situation everywhere. We are like stuck inside the home, and when we see such an amazing nature in front of us, we feel really really nice, and I felt really amazing that day. So I decided every weekend I'll go some beach because we have a lot of beach in Singapore. So this is Changi Beach, and the next time I will take you guys with me some other beach. We have a lot of beach here. So now I just trying to go to the beach nearby. I really like water and everything, so I just thought of like walking nearby, and look at it guys, everybody is so busy here playing and they are like fishing and doing a lot of work. So it's so nice and I feel really nice. So I hope you guys too like this. So have a view guys. Yeah. As I said before, this beach is very nearby to the Changi airport. So we can see a lot and lot flights taking off from the airport very nearby. So I think to be frank, after a year I'm seeing such view because these days we cannot travel anywhere, and we are stuck inside the home, and this is the only place where we can see flights very nearby. So I was really happy about it, and this is one of the reason again I love this beach this much, because we can see a lot and lot of flights very nearby because it just takes off from in the airport and it just comes through this beach, so we can see, and that definitely gives a kind of like happiness personally for me at least. So I feel really happy about it because yeah, we cannot travel, at least some people are traveling and we can enjoy that view. That's it. So yeah guys, I'm like enjoying thoroughly here, and you guys can have a look. definitely gives an amazing feel to walk with the waves. And in Singapore, basically on the beach, we don't get that high kind of waves, but then yeah, we do have some kind of like waves. So it's nice to walk, and I was feeling really happy, and it was very nice. So these are some of the snacks which I cooked myself, and also we have some rice from the shop and coke and water. So this is all you want when you like sit in front of the beach, isn't it? So I made some vade. So this is chicken cutlets, and also I tried some payasam. So this is aval payasam, poha payasam. It was really nice. I tried first time and it was really nice. So and some rice, as I said before, and we have a drink as well. Guys, you can see now it's totally dark. It's around like 11:30 p.m. and it started to drizzle, so we thought of like coming back home, and it takes around like 1.5 hours, as I said before. So, yeah, guys, it was amazing and I really liked it. So, finally, I'm going back to my home, and I hope you guys liked this video. If you really did, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to click the bell icon nearby, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you.